Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Fura from scratch. And I will show you a method that will keep your Fura fresh for days. Fura is a dish from the northern part of Nigeria and it's very easy to prepare. For this recipe, you will need dry millet, ginger, black pepper, grains of Selim, dried pepper, and cloves. All the ingredients here are dried. Without further ado, let's get started. I will start by combining everything together. And I'm going to be blending them dried. So here I have everything inside my blender and I'm going to blend till it gets very smooth. When I'm done blending, I will transfer the blended flour into a dried container. And I will be adding water, and I will gently add the water till I get a paste. So before adding water, I have removed some of the flour to use later. So I will mix it very well. I will add more water. So I'm done. You want the paste to be a little bit thick. I will cover and leave it to ferment for 2 to 3 days. So here I have the powder I'm going to be using later. I will put everything aside. This is 2 days later. I'm going to use a spoon to scoop out the top of the millet paste. And I will transfer into a clean pot. I will add a pinch of salt and I will cook on medium heat. I will keep stirring just the way swallow is being stirred till it comes together. And I want to say a big thank you to my new and my old subscribers. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and put on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload video. So I'm going to be taking out the wooden spoon, and I'll be adding some water. I will cover and leave it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is 10 minutes later. I will go ahead and stir so the millet is well cooked now and is formed into a dough. So I will stir it very well. And I will turn off the stove. Next, I will transfer into a clean container. I will cover it with a kitchen napkin to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is 10 minutes later. I'm gonna be working with a clean hands here. I will cut the cooked millet and I will form it into a ball shape. And another bowl, I have the millet powder there. Next, I'll put the millet on the millet flour, like so. And I'm going to repeat the process till I am done. Keep watching. And that is done. Next, I will be putting the ones I'm going to be having in a blender. I'll add some sugar and milk, and I will blend. In Nigeria, the Fura seller will serve the Fura in a calabash bowl and use a spoon to mash it and add the sugar and milk as well. Fura the no-no is ready. I will be having mine with some peanuts, and I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.